Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn new topic. Convert numbers into hours and minutes. It means time. This is our data. We type here numbers 1.5. The meaning of 1.5 is 1 hours and 30 minutes. It is changed through formula. How to do it? Let's see in example. We use equal to this divide by 24. Why we use 24? In one day has 24 hours, therefore we divide numbers divide by 24 and press enter. Okay, you see 1 hour 30 minutes. Another example is, another way is simple. Just use here, copy paste. We use equal to this divide by 24, enter. The data is showing in decimal. We click format cell, click on custom, type, we remove general, we use hour and then minutes. You see 1 hour 30 minutes. Select OK. Here is the example, 1 hour 30 minutes. Hopefully this video is helpful for you. Thank you so much.